Hello students, in this video we will discuss about converse of theorem 4. In the theorem 4 we have discussed if two chords are equal then distance of that chords from center of circle will be also equal. Now in this video, in this concept, say that if distance of two chords from center of circle or incongruent circle are equal, then both chords will be also equal. That means in this first situation, if OM equal to ON, then AB equal to CD. Or in the congruent circle, this is the second case, OM equal to ON will be equal, then we should be prove that AB equal to CD. Now what is the given? Given that OM equal to ON, OM equal to ON, this is the given, and to prove chord AB equal to chord CD, we should prove that this chord and this chord will be equal, or this chord and this chord will be equal. Since here there are two circles but both circles are congruent, that means radius of both circles are equal. Now write the construction. Join OA and OC. Join OA and OC. Join OA and OC. Since as you know that OM and ON, this is the distance of center from this chord, so this will be perpendicular distance, that means angle 1 and angle 2 both are 90 degree, and here also angle 1 and angle 2 both are equal to 90 degree. Since OM perpendicular AB and ON perpendicular CD in this equation also same, then perpendicular drawn from center of circle to the chord, it bisect the chord. That means AM and BM will be equal. First write this. Since OM and ON are perpendicular distance, therefore OM perpendicular AM and OM perpendicular AB and CN perpendicular CD. Therefore AM equal to BM and CN equal to DN, or AB equal to twice AM and CD equal to twice CM. Now we will put here two triangles, triangle AMO and triangle CNO. In triangle AMO and triangle CNO, taking two triangles, and we will do the congruent of both triangles. As is seen here, angle 1 equal to angle 2, region that OM perpendicular AB and CN perpendicular CD, that means each 90 degree. OA equal to OC, radii of same circle or congruent circles. And OM equal to ON, here OM equal to ON, this is the given, OM equal to ON, OM equal to ON, this is the given. Therefore apply the RHS congruency. Therefore by RHS congruency, triangle AMO congruent triangle CNO, right angle, hypotenuse and one side. By the RHS congruency, triangle AMO equal to triangle CNO. Therefore, we can say that if both angles are congruent, therefore AM equal to CN. AM equal to CN. That means remaining side will be equal. And we can write here by CPCT. By CPCT. If we multiply by 2 on both sides, therefore 2AM equal to 2CN, and already here write 2AM equal to AB and 2CN equal to CD. Therefore, we can replace 2AM by AB and 2CN by CD. Thus, we can say that if distance of any two chords from center of circle are equal, then both chords will be equal in length. Now, in the next video, we will take next topic related to this chapter.